Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the dataset. Confirm you own or have edit rights in the workspace and that credentials are valid. Once done, verify an on-premises data gateway is installed and online if the source is local. Now go straight to the workspace, locate the datasets list, and click the target dataset. You will start the refresh process from the dataset. This is the only reliable method to refresh the connected dashboard visuals. Choose Refresh Now to run an immediate refresh or Open Settings to configure scheduled refresh if recurring updates are required. Make sure gateway connection matches the data source and credentials are mapped. Personal gateway behaves differently than enterprise. Once triggered, go to the Dataset menu and open Refresh History to watch progress and see row counts or errors. This provides the detailed execution feedback you need to diagnose slow queries or authentication failures during the middle of the process. After the dataset completes, check your dashboard to confirm tiles reflect the new data. Visuals update once the underlying dataset refresh finishes. If tiles don't update, open Refresh History and read the error message. Often it's expired credentials, permissions, or a gateway offline. Fix the specific issue, update credentials, restart the gateway, or adjust query timeouts, then run Refresh Now again. Key tip: when things go wrong, always start with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.